Hi guys, PD Tech here with a little, just a little update about the new batteries I've got for my Bebop. Now that's the original Parrot Bebop battery. So it's 11.1 volt. It's a 3-cell, 13.3 watt hours, 1200 milliamp hour. It's a 10C maximum discharge. And these don't really give you a great deal of flight time. So I'm just looking at options how I can improve this. And there's a few different batteries that you can get out there. I've tried the 2500 milliamp hour Camelback battery, and I didn't really have much success with that. So I've got it's another GIFI Power battery. It's a 1600 milliamp hour battery. So I'm going to try that one. It's this blue packet. And I've also got an AR Drone 2 battery, so I'm going to test that one as well. So first off, we're going to have a look at the GIFI Power, the 1600 milliamp hour. Right, I'm just testing this GIFI 1600 milliamp hour battery for my Bebop. So it's not brilliant conditions. It's really windy. Got some big black clouds coming in. It's probably well over 10 mile an hour wind, so, and this is its first charge as well, so we'll see how it goes. It's the same shape as a stock battery. It's a tiny little bit heavier, but it's not that much heavier. So let's see how it goes. Like all these dodgy batteries, they don't fit 100%. The connector doesn't really clip in place brilliantly. It's on there though. It's not going to go nowhere, I don't think. Right, let's test it out.